everyone, welcome to my channel, 10 Ways to Wear It. I'm Alicia, and on this channel I take one fashion item or one fashion trend and show you guys 10 different ways to wear it. Now today's video is a fall Shein haul. Yes, this is my first fall Shein haul, and when I tell you I have some amazing items to share with you all, girl, I cannot emphasize it enough. They have some amazing fall items that I'm just super excited to share. Before we jump into the video, if you're not subscribed, now is the time to hit that subscribe button. I bring you all types of fashion, lifestyle, hair, and beauty videos, and of course hauls such as this one that you are going to remember. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, and let's jump into these gorgeous fall items from Shein.com. Folks, I have pulled over my rack and I'm ready to get into these items, but before I do, I want to share my outfit of the day. I'm trying to commit and stick with that request from one of my subscribers. So today's outfit features this gorgeous shirt dress. This is from Shein. You guys may have saw this in my last Shein haul. It's so comfortable. It's just like a cotton poplin shirt dress. It's super cute. It's short, and I also have on my white Doc Marten Jadons with it. Super simple outfit, very summery. It's nice and light, and it's also very structured and kind of cool. You know, that street style vibe, because I'm a street style girl. But that's today's outfit. I am wearing a hat because I am leaving this outfit on actually even after I finish this video. This is today's real outfit, not just for the video, but I'm wearing a little like black hat with this look. So yeah, this is the look. Those simple little beaded earrings from Target there, and new wig, who this? But yeah, that's the look. So now let's jump into these items, you guys. Alrighty, so of course I like to show you all my favorite item first, and the fave of this video is definitely gonna be this like double-breasted, I guess you would call it, button-down skirt. This skirt is amazing. The quality is amazing. The design is so unique and fashion forward. It almost looks like a trench coat, but in the form of a skirt. It has some khaki down the middle with buttons, and you can actually open it. It also has some plaid there. It's sort of like a flute style skirt. It's very, very modern. It also has this sort of tab around the waist that when you put it on, it kind of looks like it's flipped over. Such a gorgeous skirt, and you'll see in the insert how this looks on. It is such a nice fit. I got mine in a size extra large. I probably could have got away with the large, but I love the way this fits. This will look so good for the fall with some knee-high boots. You can even wear it with like booties. You can wear this with a turtleneck, a blazer, a button-down shirt. This skirt is gorgeous. You cannot tell me I am not rocking Burberry in this, right? But yeah, the quality is super, super nice. Love all the details on it. Had to pick this one up. The next item is a very close second favorite, and it's very similar to the first skirt, except this one is not like double-breasted like the other one. It has a single line of buttons down the middle. One side is like a khaki material or a trench coat type of material, and the other side is a pleated plaid. Girl, this skirt is so modern. Someone asked me for a video on corporate outfits. Girl, I got that coming for you. That was Sonia Singh. Sonia, my girl, I got you, boo. I got you. I got that corporate video coming for you, and you can expect to see at least one of these skirts in that video. But can you imagine going into the office, honey, walking to the train with your sneakers on, with your boots in your bag, right? With this skirt on. It is so sharp. You see in the insert how it looks. It has this sort of angled belt that comes with it. Really nice. This is also in a size extra large, and it is bomb. Like I said, half sort of trench coat material or khaki material, half pleated. Girl, you're getting a little bit of all the fashion trends for 2020 in this skirt, and I love them both. So gorgeous. The next item I want to share with you is this gorgeous boucle set. This did not come together. Each piece is sold separately, but as you know, Shein is a bargain haven, so neither of these pieces was expensive, even though they look like they costed a fortune, girlfriend. This is giving me Chanel vibes all the way. You have this gorgeous cardigan. It doesn't have buttons or anything. It's super sleek and simple. It's lined with this really beautiful kind of loose boucle, and then you have that sort of tweedy boucle. Chanel vibes all the way, girl. Put you on a brooch. Put your hair in a nice little bun. Girl, some nice pearl earrings. And the skirt, the skirt. If you only get one piece, get the skirt, because the skirt is so cute. It has that same sort of loose boucle in the middle. It has a split in the middle. The split is not too high, it's the perfect height, and the skirt is sort of fitted. It's like a pencil style skirt, really accentuates your curves. You'll see how this set looks on me. So gorgeous. If you are even more curvy, girl, you about to shut down the whole office, okay, in this look. It is so chic, it is so sleek, and it just looks super, super upscale. And this is something you can wear to church. This is a great first Sunday outfit. A lot of churches on the first Sunday, they wear white. If we ever get to go back to church like we used to, this would be a great first Sunday outfit. This is a great like child baptism outfit. This is just such a nice little outfit. Even if you're getting like married at City Hall or courthouse, girl, this is a nice little modern look to pull off, right? Put on some nice little stiletto heels. Like I said, put you on a Chanel style brooch. Killing them, girl. Straight killing them. And both of these pieces are in a size extra large, just for reference. The next item I picked up is this gorgeous sort of slate blue thick knit sweater. This is a really nice sweater. This is also in a size extra large, and I just thought this would be great to transition my white jeans with, just to kind of throw it on with some white jeans, some nice slate gray boots, or some white sneakers. And yeah, I love sweaters like this. Can't get enough of these in my wardrobe. It doesn't get like crazy cold here in California, so sometimes for most of our fall you can just throw on nice chunky sweaters and jeans and stuff like that. So this sweater will definitely come in handy, and like I said, this is a size extra large. The next item I picked up is so beautiful. It is this floral printed long sleeve top. This is sort of like a peplum style top. It looks so nice with jeans. It has a high neck. I love the back of it. The back is completely open, if you all can see that, and it has like a elastic type of waist in the back. This is a size extra large. If you are size 12, 14, even 16, you can probably fit this top. You'll see how it looks on me in the insert with a nice pair of jeans. It's so pretty. It's such a pretty top. Look at the colors and the pattern. Girl, just breathe it in for a minute. Look at those colors. Can you say giving me life? It has neon pinks, bright green, black, white, all the colors that I love, and I love a good floral print. You can definitely pull this off for work. You can pull this off going to have some drinks with the girls, put it on with some distressed jeans for kind of a contrasting look, some nice heels. For work, you can throw it on with some black slacks. So yeah, love this. This would be also great to wear underneath a suit. So girl, versatile little top here, and it's so pretty, and mine is in a size extra large. The next item I picked up are these high-waisted sort of sailor style striped pants. They are so nice. They have pockets. They are cropped. You'll see how they look on me in the insert. This is just a really nice pair of pants. They do fit me quite tight on the waist. They are a size large, and I think that's the biggest size that they come in. I wish they came in an extra large, but girl, we gonna work it out. Me and my tailor, we gonna work it out. I'll have him put a little piece up in there. Trust me, he knows what I need. So I will definitely be working with these because I think they are so nice, and they look great with my next item, and that is this gorgeous pink top. This is sort of like a balloon sleeve pink top. Super simple, but the color is very striking, and you'll see in the insert these two pieces together look amazing. Okay, absolutely amazing. This is a great work outfit, weekend outfit if you're going out doing something cute and fancy. This is a great little modern look right here. These stripes with that bright neon pink. Girl, y'all know I love a pink moment, and bold black and white stripes or polka dots are definitely a thing that goes great with all my pinks. So yeah, love this outfit. And the top is in a size extra large, and like I said, the pants are in a size large. A little bit tight for me. Y'all know I'm a size 12, so just keep that in mind. The next item that I picked up is this long sleeve sort of drop waisted leopard print dress. This is such a nice dress. This is from the Shein Curve section. This is in a size 1X. It does fit slightly oversized, so just keep that in mind if you do order it. You may want to size down depending on your size and shape, but this is just a really nice modern leopard print dress. Reminds me of some of the leopard print that I saw in Dolce & Gabbana's Spring Summer 2020 collection. Just a really nice, simple, you know, classic leopard print. You can wear this with tights and wear it to work. You can wear this with a blazer on top. Just a really nice dress, and I like the little fluttery elastic sleeves on here. Like, you have the elastic at the wrist, and then you have that little extra kind of fluttery part there. I love that on sleeves. I think it looks so nice and romantic. But yeah, great little dress, like I said, that you can style up. You can throw on some sneakers with this as well if you want to. Y'all know I'm not against sneakers with anything. I will totally put on some white sneakers with a dress like this. But yeah, I love this. I think this is great for work, church, pretty much anywhere. The next item that I picked up is this cable knit sweater vest. This is another item that runs a little bit small. I got it in a size large, and I think that was the biggest size that it came in. But girl, I'm gonna stretch through it, okay? We're gonna stretch it out, okay? Because I really love this color pink. I love that cable knit. This sweater is so soft. The quality is amazing, okay? If it was just a little bit bigger, it would be 5 stars, okay? This is such a nice little top here, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing it. I don't know what it is, but I love sweater vests. Like, it's weird. I know a lot of people out there are not sweater vest women. I know a lot of you guys are not sweater vest women, but you're gonna see this fall how I style them up, and I just might turn you on to them. I just love a cute little sweater vest, especially when it has like a cute print on it, or it's just a really fun color. Girl, I'll be rocking those, okay? My next item is this gorgeous color blocked corduroy shacket. I call it a shacket because it's a shirt slash jacket. Y'all have heard that term before, but I really thought this was nice. It reminds me of some of like the 1990s styles, cross colors, and some of the old Tommy Hilfiger, vintage Tommy Hilfiger pieces. This is a really nice shacket. You can throw this on over a denim on denim outfit, throw it on with some nice high-waisted jeans, a white t-shirt, have it open, wear some nice sneakers with it. You can have some fun with this look, and I really like it if you're going like camping, something that you're doing something chill. This is a great throw on piece. Like I said, just style it up with some jeans, whether you're doing distressed jeans or you're doing something more structured. You can have some fun with this. You can use, you know, your Doc Martens, black Doc Martens. If you have some colored boots, that would be really fun to style these up with. Some Chuck Taylors. Honey, I can go on and on, but I thought this was really, really cute. Like I said, pulling off that 90s vibe, throw on some big bamboo hoops, and girl, rock it. This is really nice, and this is in a size extra large. This is from the regular section on Shein, and it does run oversized, so keep that in mind. The next couple of items I want to share with you all are a couple of skirts that I picked up. The first being this plaid blue skirt. I love the vibrant color of this light blue. It's so pretty, and I thought I could wear this with some of my chunky like cream colored sweaters or my light blue sweater that I picked up from Boohoo. You'll see that in the insert, styled up with this skirt, creating sort of like a mixed pattern type of outfit. You all know how I love to mix prints, so I thought this skirt was really nice. Super simple. It's from the Shein plus size section, and it is in a size 0X, and as you see, it's a great fit. I would say the 0X category is more like a size 12, so just keep that in mind if you're ordering the 0Xs. I think 1X kind of goes into like a 12, 14, and then 14, 16, and so on, but that's what size I picked up. Super cute plaid blue skirt, sort of like an A-line shape, and I thought this was really, really pretty. The next skirt that I picked up is so gorgeous. The quality is absolutely amazing. It is this alligator embossed faux leather skirt. This is sort of almost like on the vinyl type of style skirt because it's very shiny. It has a split in the front. It looks so expensive and nice. I don't know if the camera would even do this skirt justice, but it's so nice. It has that embossing all over it. Mine is in a size extra large. It does fit slightly big on me. I definitely could have gone with the large, but I'm gonna work with this one, girlfriend, believe that. But yeah, this skirt is so nice. Great for those knee-high snake printed boots, my Steve Madden boots that you all saw in my boot haul. This will go great with those. You can style this up so many ways as well. I can think of a bunch of outfits that I can create just using this skirt right here. Graphic tee outfits, flirty top outfits, button down structured outfits. Girl, there's so much you can do with this. You can even do a chunky sort of mock neck sweater, a turtleneck, a lace top. Girl, let me stop. But I love this skirt. It's so nice, and the quality blows me away. Super nice. Shein, you go, girl. The last two items I want to share with you are kind of like some end of summer items that I can wear right now while it's still hot. The first is this mesh butterfly printed top. It's like a really simple crew neck style top. It's sheer, you know, throw on some jeans with it, a black bra. It's really cute. It's not cropped, but it does kind of hit right at the bottom of your waist, so it's simple to tuck into some nice high-waisted jeans. I thought this was really pretty. I've been seeing butterflies everywhere, so clearly they're trending, so I thought this would be really nice to style up, maybe for a cute little Instagram selfie. Hopefully y'all following me over there. But yeah, I thought this was cute. This is from the Shein plus size section, and it is in a size 2X, FYI. The last item I want to share with you all, you may recognize from my last video as well, and that is this mesh layered off the shoulder top. I purchased this in white in my last video, and did you see this other color? I don't know why I didn't see this before, but girl, I love the way that white one looks, fits, and feels, so I had to pick up this sort of pinky fuchsia-y type of color. It's sort of like a purple and a fuchsia mixed together. It's so pretty. Looks amazing with jeans, looks amazing with shorts. Girl, I love this top, and this is from the plus size section on Shein's website. This is in a size 1X. I do think this comes in regular size as well, so I'll link both for you, but I love this top. It comes in white as well, and it also comes in like a peachy pink color, like a soft pink. So if this is too bright or bold for you, you can go for that more soft, feminine, peachy pink color. But girl, you already know Alicia gonna go for the bold colors. But yeah, this is so pretty. Definitely a great top for a date night, girls night out. If you're just going out of town, maybe on vacation, this is perfect for a beautiful selfie because it just looks so romantic on. I can go on and on about this top. It's so pretty. Thank you all so much for checking out my fall Shein haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked all the items that I picked up and how I styled them. As usual, all of these items will be linked in the description, as well as my sizes for reference. So if you're interested in any of these specific items, check that description. And I also have a discount code for you guys. If you type in 10 ways, you'll get 15% off your order, and that really helps. Shein is definitely a bargain place, but using the discount code doesn't hurt either. Save as much coins as you can. So type in that code 10 ways and check out, and you'll get 15% off. But I want to thank you all again for watching. Stay tuned for seeing all these items on my Instagram. If you're not following me there, girl, what you doing? Follow me on Instagram. That's where I post all the bomb outfits, my little cute little videos and whatnot. I'll be on there jamming and whatnot. So definitely follow me on Instagram. I always link my Instagram in the description on every video. So click that link and subscribe to me over there. But thank you all again for watching. Thank you to everybody who went ahead and joined the family. Girl, you will not regret it. I'm always bringing you something new, something fresh, and something different. So you'll love what I got popping up on you. Welcome to the family, girlfriend. And thank all of my regulars. I love y'all so much, and I will see everybody on the next video. Love y'all. Take care. Bye, y'all.